Yes, here. Now practicing the Stanga sun salutation and many for the strength of the body. Okay. Come in first. Your either both feet little bit go back. Yes. Either both feet together or little gap between both feet. Suck your belly in, roll your shoulder back and slow down. Elbows should be straight, neck straight. Come on, inhale, raise both arms up, knee down, hip down, Utkatasana. Yes, come on, exhale, lengthening spine and bend forward, Uttanasana. Yes. Now when you inhale, head up and look up. If you are not comfortable, touching to your feet, ankle or ground. Now knee down, exhale, right leg back, left leg back. Come on. First option is a Chaturanga Dandasana. Second option is a Ardha Chaturanga. Third option is a Stanga Namaskar. Any one option. Yes, come on. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Come on. Exhale and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, right leg up. When you exhale, right leg in between in your both arms. Left heel on the ground. Come on, left heel on the ground. Yes. And then raise both arms up. Virbhadrasana 1. Hold here, hold here. Yes, yes, yes. Now, hold. Okay. Now exhale, both arms down. Yes, both arms down. Right leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Come in Chaturanga Dandasana, everyone. Now inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Yes. Exhale and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg in between your both arms. Yes. Right heel on the ground, raise both arms of Virbhadrasana 1. Good. Now exhale, both arms down. Left leg back. Come in Chaturanga Dandasana or Ardha Chaturanga, as you wish. Now inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Now 5 breathe with sound. Hold here. 1. Separate your both feet. 2. Yes, come on. 3. 4. Come on, keep breathing. 5. 6. Yes, 7. 8. Knee down. Right leg, left leg, both leg in between your both arms. Come on, either jump or normal. Both leg in between your both arms. Yes, come on. Inhale, head up, look up. Head up, look up, everyone. Exhale, head down. Now knee down, inhale, raise both arms up, Utkatasana. Yes, come on, Utkatasana. Exhale and Samasthiti. Good. Once again, inhale, raise both arms up, knee down, hip down, Utkatasana. Yes, Utkatasana. Exhale and bend forward, Uttanasana. Yes, inhale, head up, look up. Exhale, knee down, right leg back, left leg back. Come on, Chaturanga Dandasana or Ardha Chaturanga. Come on, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg in between in your both arms. Left heel on the ground. Inhale, raise both arms of Virbhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Exhale and both arms down. Right leg back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg in between your both arms. Right heel on the ground. Inhale, raise both arms of warrior 1. Yes, exhale, hands down. Left leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Come on, inhale. Again, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 breathe with sound. Separate your both feet. Shoulder level gap between your both feet. Yes, come on, keep breathing. Breathe with sound. 5. Yes, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1. Now jump in between your both palm. Inhale, head up, look up. Head up, look up. Stand up and head up, look up. Yes. Exhale, full forward. Now knee down, inhale, raise both arms up and hold. 8. Yes, 7, hip down and knee down. 6, hip down little bit. 5, Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend forward. Come on, right leg back and left leg back. Once again, either chaturanga or ardha chaturanga. Yes. Come on, inhale, urdhvam, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now, your right leg in between in your both arms. Right leg up, and when you exhale, in between your both arms. Left heel on the ground. Now, hold, raise your both arms up, warrior 1 first. Hold in warrior 1. 1. Yes, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here, come in warrior 2 and hold in warrior 2. Look your middle finger. Yes, 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both hands on your waist. Come on. Come in highlands, highlands, highlands. Heel up, up. Come on, raise your both arms up. Once again, inhale. And when you exhale, hands down. Yes, now lift your back of the leg. Come on, like this. And hold here. Yes, 1. Come on, 2. Make balance. 3, 4. Yes, come on, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now leg down. Come on, feet down. Yes, yes. Come in Asu Sanchalan. Your left knee on the ground. Yes, toes out. Right knee and ankle is one line. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Push your hip forward and bend back and hold. Make sure right knee and ankle is one line. 1. Come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly hands down, exhale. Come on, right leg back. Come in high plank and hold in high plank. Shoulder and wrist is one line. Toes and heel is one line. Don't create arch on your lumbar. 10. Come on, 9. Come on, lift up, lift up. 8. Head should be straight. 7. Look front. 6. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knee. Come in elbow plank. Come in elbow. Yes. Down. Now come in elbow plank and hold. Yes, yes, come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down on your stomach. Again, both hands. Come on, both hands side of your chest. Come on, inhale, upward facing dog. Yes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, left leg up. Left leg in between in your both arms. Right heel on the ground. Come on, inhale, come in warrior 1 and hold in warrior 1. Yes, 10. Come on, 9, keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here come in warrior 2 and hold. Yes, 10. Knee and ankle is one line. More hip down. Yes, 9, 8. Look your left middle finger. Come on, 7. Yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, both hands on the ground. Yes, yes. Tuck your left heel, right toes and lift your heel. Now slowly lift your back of the leg and hold. Make balance. Yes, 8. Come on, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 4. Come on, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg on the ground. Yes, on the ground. Wait. On the ground. Oh, like this. And drop your right knee and toes out. Now raise your both arms up. Inhale. When you exhale, push your hip forward and bend back and hold. Yes, 1. Come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 7, 8, 9. Hands down. Hands down. Yes, come on. Left leg back. And again, come in high plank. Yes, come on. High plank. Shoulder and this is one line. 1, 2. Look front. 3. Yes, 4. Come on, 5, 6. Little bit lift your hips. 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your knee. Come on. Come in elbow. Yes, come in elbow. Once again, elbow plank and hold in elbow plank. Come on, everyone, elbow plank. 1. Yes, 2. Come on, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lie down on your stomach. Both hands straight. Yes, both hands straight like this. Now, both feet together. Inhale, come in Superman. Raise both arms, both leg and head up. 10. Yes, come on. 9, 8, 7. Yes, 6, 5. More lift up. 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax for a moment. Just for a moment, relax. Relax. Inhale, come in upward facing dog. Come on, everyone. Yes. When you exhale, come in downward facing dog. Now practice for the arm strength. Now look me. Raise your right leg up first and bend your right knee, and then on the ground. Then lift your hip and hands up. Come on, right leg up. Left side on the ground. Yes. Now raise. 1. Yes, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Come in high plank. Come in high plank. Yes, high plank is very good for arm strength and core strength. Right leg inside. Yes, left heel on the ground. More, Lore, more. Yes, left heel on the ground and lift your right butt, hip and hands up. Yes, 8. Come on, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 4. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up high plank once again high plank, everyone. Once again high plank. Come on. Yes. Now right knee right near to the right elbow. Right knee near to the right elbow and hold. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now right leg back and tilt yourself left side. Come on, like this. Side of mirror, face of mirror. Good, nice. And raise your right hand up. Yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, 5. Come on, 4, 3. Last 3. Just 2, 1 and slowly come up. Yes. Inhale, drop your knee. Exhale, chest and chin down. Come on, same practice on the other side. Yes. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes, downward facing dog. Now come on, left leg up. Left leg up. And left leg right side on the ground. And raise your left hand up and hold. Yes, 1, 2. Come on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come up, high plank, yes, high plank, yes. Now left leg inside and left foot on the ground, right heel on the ground, raise your right hand up and look up, just hold. Come on, 8, 7, yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come in high plank once again high plank. Left knee in plank position, left knee near to your left elbow and hold. Yes, 8. Come on, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg back and tilt right side and raise your left hand up from the side and hold. Yes, come on, 1, 2. Lower hip down little bit. 3, okay, never mind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slowly come up. Inhale, drop your knee. Exhale, come in child pose. Relax in child pose. Yes, relax for a moment in child pose. Complete relax in child pose. Complete relax in child pose. Now again come in cat. Then mountain. Yes, yes, yes. Right leg outside of your right hand, left feet outside of your left hand. And come in sit in Malasana. Yes, Malasana. Then raise both arms up and hold. 1. Yes. 2. Keep breathing. Come on. 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Both hands on your back side. Come on. On your back side. And sit down. Sit down. Yes. Yes. Both feet together. Roll your shoulder back. Here, roll your shoulder back and slowly down, 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 like this. Right leg straight, left leg straight, lumbar on the ground, and then come in boat pose and hold in boat pose. Just 10, 9, 8, come on 7, just 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down on your back. Yes, lie down on your back. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Turn your neck right and left. Yes. Fold your right leg from the knee. Interlock your finger on your shin bone. Yes, like this here. Below the knee. Take a deep breath in. When you exhale, try to touch your knee to your chin to your knee. Yes, like this. Lift your left leg 30 degrees. Slowly change the leg. Come on. 2. Change the leg. Yes. Yes, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Hold here. Now from this side, come in boat pose once again and hold in boat pose. Come on. Come on, come in boat pose like this. Boat. Yes, both legs straight. 10, 9, 8. Yes. 7, knees should be straight. 6. Yes, 5, 4. Come on, 3. Come on, lift up, more lift up, more lift up, more lift up. Hand on the ground and come in Malasana once again, like this. Yes, hands on the ground. Right leg back, left leg back. Come in high plank. Yes, come in high plank. Now, 1. Look me. Right knee on your left elbow, left knee on your right elbow. 1. Right knee on your left elbow. 1. Yes, come on. 2. 3. Don't disturb your plank. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Come in high plank and hold in high plank last time. Yes, 10. Come on, make balance. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 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 For a moment, relax.